Now, this show really is one for the men this evening as we move from cheerleaders to a young lady who was grabbing as many headlines for her good looks as her tennis. Ivanović has had a great 2007, breaking into the world top 5, reaching her first Grand Slam final at the French Open. And while she likes to play basketball in her spare time, her uncle is a one-time professional footballer and current coach, and Saturday was her first trip to the bridge.
Anna, your first Chelsea game, did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I don't follow football that much, but maybe from today I'll be a bigger fan.
Any particular players that you liked today that you thought performed well?
The second half was really interesting and the atmosphere was great out there, and Joe Cole that scored a goal was great.
Now, obviously it was a London derby and there were so many chants in the crowd. How do you think you'd feel playing tennis in that kind of atmosphere?
Obviously it's really different. We have much less spectators and they're quiet during the points, and that's important for tennis because many people don't realize, but it's also the sound of the ball that we appreciate. But the atmosphere was great, and I think it would be fun to maybe sometimes play a tennis match like that.
Is it strange for you to think that the amount of people who show up for a football game, that it's so popular as a sport?
I know, it's amazing, and I saw today was like almost 42,000 people, and that's something we never get in tennis. And obviously football players are very, very popular, and especially in England, football is one of the major sports, so it's nice to see that people appreciate that.
You have a bit of a football background yourself. Tell us about your uncle.
Yeah, my uncle, he was a football player. He played in Partizan, and now he's just coaching in a small club in Belgrade. But yeah, he was a little bit jealous of me being here today.
What kind of sports do you play? Other sports?
I like to play basketball sometimes because my father played basketball, and my brother now, he's only 16, so he plays basketball too.
And if you have to support a team now in England, will you support Chelsea?
Yeah, definitely. I really appreciate the game today, and as I said, the second half was really interesting. They were really aggressive, and it was fun. So for sure, from now on, I'm going to support Chelsea.
And just what brings you here today?
I'm here for preparation, and I'm in Roehampton. I'm just practicing, and I had some time off today, so I thought I'd visit here and watch some football and have some fun.
You've had a phenomenal year. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's amazing. Last couple of months been amazing for my career, and I got a lot of experience, and now I'm looking forward for the next challenges next year.
Scott, I was going to say, are you a Chelsea fan? I'm now going to say, are you a Chelsea fan now?
I'm
Chelsea
enjoying the show
fan,
tonight.
Yeah? You're enjoying the show tonight?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, no, she seems lovely, doesn't she? She's enjoying herself, and she's over here as well, and speaks great English. It's incredible how many foreigners do speak good English as well. So no, it's
very good
hopefully she enjoyed the game. Bit of a rubbish game for her to watch, but I'm sure she enjoyed Joe Cole scoring.
She said she's a Chelsea fan now, and I imagine lots of Chelsea fans will be glad that she's a Chelsea fan.
And they'll be hoping that she can bring a few more friends down there as well, I'm sure. I don't know if Anna Kournikova can actually come down.
Oh, Scott, it's not that kind of show. Come on. But it's nice. It was interesting to hear the comparisons going on there. If we can have a little serious edge to this about
if we have to.
The different kind of crowds and how it's completely different to a tennis atmosphere.
Well, it is different, but I mean, it's an individual sport, so I actually think it's more difficult for the individual sports. If you don't have a good game, then you're going to lose for tennis. If you don't have a good game in a team sport, you've still got a good chance of winning. So, you know, I respect all individual sports.
I'm going to move on before you go back to Kournikova.